Samsung Pass is a part of Samsung Wallet now, and it has grown a lot recently. In this video, we'll learn to use Samsung Pass, so let's get into it. First things first, we must ensure that Samsung Pass is the default autofill service. Go to the device settings and then in the search bar, type autofill. Here under security and privacy, tap passwords, passkeys and autofill. Let's go to this menu. Here the preferred service is Google. Tap on it and change to Samsung Pass. Lovely. Now to open it, we need to open Samsung Wallet. In the app menu, type wallet and open it. In this all tab, you will see Samsung Pass. Over here we have sign in and private info tabs. The sign in tab has your passwords and passkeys, and private info keeps your credit cards, addresses and notes. There are multiple ways to save passwords. You can tap the top plus and pick the sign in info to save it. Here we can insert a website address or choose an app to save credentials. However, this is not the best way. The best way is when you log in to a website or an app and it asks if you want to save the details. Let's see. For this video, I'll log into my Facebook account and save its password. When you log in, it will ask whether you want to save this info. For some reason, it took a little bit of time to show the pop-up. Maybe because I had just enabled Samsung Pass. Anyway, tap save to save it. If you don't want Samsung Pass to ask for this app again, click this option and OK. This won't save the password and will never ask you for this app. Anyway, let's save it. Now every time I log into Facebook, it will show me the password on this row. And all I have to do is tap on it and verify my identity. Lovely. We are now logged in. Samsung Pass supports passkeys. Passkeys are a way to log into your account without a password, and this method is actually more secure. For this, I'll try Amazon. This should work with apps as well. I will sign in with my password and right after it will ask if I want to create a passkey for this website. Below is my Amazon email and the display name. We can edit it later. Tap create. Done. It might ask for the phone PIN for the first time you create it. Let's complete that. Awesome. It's been created. Now every time you log into Amazon in any browser on this device, it will just ask you to verify your biometrics or PIN to log in. Now let's talk about adding cards and using them to buy stuff online. There are two ways to add cards. One is that it will ask to save the card when you use it for the first time. The second is through the app. Go to Samsung Pass in the Wallet app and tap plus. Then add a card. We can add a card by scanning it with the camera or by entering its details. I'll scan it. Lovely. Insert the cardholder's name and also the card name to remember which card it is. You can add a billing address as well, but I'll skip it for now. We can add this card to Samsung Checkout to quickly pay with it at places that support Samsung Checkout. If you add it, you'll need to verify this card. Let's do that. It will ask for the CVV. Put it in and register. You might need to verify your identity. Let's get the code and insert it into the following screen. Done. Now let's get the same Amazon example. Suppose I'm buying something. On the checkout page, when I start adding the card information, Samsung Pass will show this card. I can just tap on it and verify my identity to autofill it. Of course, we'll need to enter the CVV. Let's explore how to see our passwords. Open the Samsung Wallet app and pick Samsung Pass. Then tap Sign in Info. Here we have all the saved passwords. Let's open Facebook. You will see the email address and password. Tap this icon to see it. One thing I hate about this is that we can't copy the password from here. To copy it, we must tap the edit button and from the password field copy it. Samsung should include a copy feature. Anyway, Samsung Pass can work as an authenticator to autofill codes. I tried it and it's useful, but it's not the best and needs a bit of polishing. We won't cover it here. Lastly, to see your saved cards, addresses and notes, go to private info and go to the tab and click one. We can see the card details and can copy and edit those here if need be. Our last stop is password safety. Here you will see easy to guess saved passwords, also all your duplicate passwords. You can edit them on the website to ensure no one steals them. With that covered, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching it. Subscribe for more like this and take care.